These vegan pancakes take just 6 ingredients and are ready in about 10 minutes. No blender necessary, just fluffy pancakes that are delicious. Start by mixing your dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Next, add the water and oil. Whisk just until the flour disappears. The batter should be a little lumpy, and that's a good thing. Overmixing knocks out the air, so stop early and walk away. If you have time, let the batter rest for 5 minutes. It thickens slightly and gives the baking powder time to do its thing. Heat a nonstick griddle or pan over medium heat, about 325 degrees. Medium is key, so the pancakes can rise before they brown. Add a little butter, even if the pan is nonstick. That's how you get golden edges. Pour about a quarter cup of batter for each pancake. When bubbles form and the edges look set, flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Serve warm with maple syrup and fruit, and enjoy.